Hi cosplay shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Cosplay Wig Out. I'm Nana and today I'm going to be teaching you how to braid your wig. We're going to be doing a really big braid today, just in case. Just teaching you the basics of how to braid hair. Okay, you're going to comb it out and you're going to portion it into 3 big chunks. Doesn't really matter how big the chunks are, it's up to your preference. Just make sure there are 3 strands and they're separated. First thing you want to do is take the one that is farthest away from the other strand and you want to cross it over into an X, like this. So you should get this. You're going to put it over, you're going to take the other one and you're going to bring it over. You're going to continue to loop it underneath. You're going to go over and under and then pull through. You're going to continue doing this until you get a braid. And this is your braid. Thank you for watching. That's all the time we have for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments or contact us. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.